Hello, good evening, and welcome to Gulf News Live. I'm Mariam Ali with you at the Right Health PCR Testing Center in Quoz. So before we get to know more about Right Health, I would like to witness the ribbon cutting ceremony of this Right Health. So we'll speak to Mr. Vikas in a bit. Once we're seated, we'll get to know more about the Right Health.
You want us to mask on?
I think so. I'll sit right there. Mr. Mr. So we have Mr. Vikas Katoch, the COO of Right Health. Hi, Mr. Vikas.
Hello, how are you?
Congratulations on the opening of the Right Health.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
I'm sure we all would like to know something about Right Health.
Okay, so my name is Vikas Katoch. We all have gathered here to open a PCR testing center, which is one of the first PCR testing center ever for any non-hospital group. Which means so far DHA has not provided the approval for anyone, and as a company, we as a Right Health are the largest and fastest growing primary healthcare chain in the UAE with 60 facilities in this region, including 30 pharmacies, 30 clinics, 27 pharmacies and 2 labs. We do provide primary healthcare services in the UAE, basically which is most affordable, most accessible healthcare chain in this UAE. We are there in this region from long, but we have consolidated all Right Health under one umbrella in last 3 years. In last 3 years, we have grown from 0 to 60. And our aim is to provide affordable, accessible primary healthcare services to the low-end income class group and blue-collar worker of the society, which are the more, you call it, unprivileged, but yet the largest diaspora of the society. So yes, so we want to give accessible, affordable services to the people who can't afford anything and everything easily in this region.
Assalamu alaikum, Doctor. So we have Dr. Bu Abdullah, our chief guest.
So Dr. Abdullah, before you say yes, so Dr. Abdullah was kind enough to visit our facility. I just requested him and he was kind enough to come here, and he's a known personality now in this region. Thanks Dr. Abdullah for coming. if you want to say some word,
A few words.
few words about.
Just the mic.
Honestly, all this question I think is be Arabic. I am more comfortable, but it's okay now. Thank you very much to invite me and to be part from this special opening PCR. I think he's doing great job also, and good price. My advice for all to be safe from this corona, and my all support always with him. And I wish all best of luck for this beautiful PCR. It's first time I am invited here. Just want to say thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
I am sure we all would like to have a tour of Right Health. So
Okay. I think, yeah. So let's have a tour. You would like to join with us, or you want to be seated?
No,
So,
of course, I have to be.
okay.
Okay,
So let's
so we'll
let's
just-
come.
Let's see how you can make it service. with all-
Okay. Come. Please come. Sir. Okay. So basically,
Starting here.
no. We'll start from here. So people will come here. So this will be the entry. And this area, basically, Quoz is predominantly for the blue collar workers and a very low end income class group. So our aim is, unlike others, to provide services to someone who can't afford. So this will be a subsidized rate. So people will come here. They will go to this place. This is a registration. So people will do registration. We have kept a safety measure here. Let me just see quickly if it is working or no.
So this is the registration counter, I believe.
Yep.
And do we require our Emirates ID?
Yes, we do require Emirates ID for a patient registration. Yes, we do require Emirates ID for a patient registration, and when they come here, so this is a counter for male and female both. Once they do the registration with the Emirates ID card, with the scanner and all, it's a very easy accessible service. It might take 1 minute, 30 seconds. After that, they will go here, Dr. Abdullah. So this is a male waiting area, that's a female waiting area. So they will sit here, they'll get the token here, they will wait for here, and then once their turn come with the token, they'll go back that place.
Idea is meaning when he's giving ID is meaning only permanent visa, not visit visa.
Not
It's
visited.
allowed.
No, not allowed. You need Emirates ID for that. So that's why you don't need anything else, because as per Hosanna, you need to have Emirates ID so that they can upload the reports there. Because this is a DHA, yes, because they need to record all residences.
Same follow government rule of law.
Same rule. So this is approved by DHA. You have all the rules and regulation to be mandated by DHA. So like you go to any DHA center, like you go to any private center, we do like home care PCR service also. So same process will be here. Reports will be given probably in 24 hours. We try to aim in less than 24 hours, and then once registration is done, they will wait here with the token number, male, female in that area. Once their turn come, there will be a turn next, and I'll show you that area. So so they will wait here. After that, they will go to this PCR testing isolation room. Let me show you. So this one, so this will, people will sit here and they will give the sample here. There will be a nurse deputed with one more helper, and they will take all the samples. This is one of the area. There is another area also. So in case there is a rush, or even to maintain a male and female area separately. So this is all equipped what DHA wants as per regulation, as per norm.
24 hours.
So far we are operating from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., 12 hours. But after a month or so, depending upon the requirement, we'll open 24 hours.
What's different for you and for another?
So we are different. One, we are providing a subsidized rate. It will be lesser rate than the market, because we want to serve.
How much is this?
So it will be close to 120 dirham as against 150 dirham in the market. when all other charge 150, and then depends on if somebody is very needy, we might do free also, like we do in our clinic. So nobody should go unturned without a test, even if he doesn't have money. So aim is provide a service at a subsidized rate, and if needed, we'll do some free cases as a charity, which we in any case are doing every day. So, and we'll try to put it 24-hour service in probably in next 30 days time or so. So it's a simple process. Like I said, registration, go back, do your PCR test, come back. So we can cater 40 to 50 patients at a time, and we aim to serve 500 to 700 patients per day, every day here, 4-7 days a week in 12 hours. If we operate for 24 hours, it will be more. It depends on what requirements are coming, what public wants. Accordingly, we'll go ahead and operate for more number of hours.
So, Mr. Vikas, is this only for a walk-in, or can I book online as well?
No, so this is for both. You can come as a walk-in, you can book the appointment. So appointments can be done through our website, appointments can be done through our call center, which is 800-7400, which is working throughout the day. You can book the appointment, you can come here, so you save time. Otherwise also, we are there to serve at any given point of time.
And do you have parking available?
Yes, we do have parking available. We can cater approximately 100 to 150 parkings at any given point of time, just outside this tent area. So basically this is a ease for public, so that they don't wait for a parking and then come in. So to have that comfort, so it's faster, we have given the parking lot.
And what's the cost?
So like I was telling Dr. Abdullah, so it will be lesser than the market, it will be at a subsidized rate. Market charges up to 150, we'll start with 120. But in case if someone needs a lower rate, or someone is very needy, he doesn't have money, we are happy to serve at much lower rate, or sometimes even free, because we want to serve the people. That's what we are known for in this market.
And what's your turnaround time for the results?
So turnaround time results will be less than 24 hours. There will be a fast track reporting system also. We aim to give, currently we give also within 8 to 12 hours. But yes, as a mandate, we'll say we'll give within 24 hours. And as and when it requires, we might give in less than even 12 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have home service?
Yes, we do have home care service. We maybe we can walk you through. So we do have home care service. We cover home care nursing, we cover home care doctors, we cover telemedicine, we cover telehealth, we provide gatekeeping, we provide a long-term home care service. So we cover anything and everything which is required for a primary healthcare service provider to cater any needs of the public in terms of primary care facility, which means non-hospital, clinic, which can cater all the services.
Okay. What are your future plans?
With the blessing of public, with the blessing of people like Dr. Abdullah, another Abdullah, our landlord, so we will be opening more and more primary healthcare centers. You will see another PCR center probably in next 10 to 15 days time in Jabal Ali. We are aiming for Sonapur also. Like we have reached from 0 to 60 facilities in last 3 years. We aim to build another 15 to 20 facilities in next 2 years time. And with God blessing, we have already opened 9 facilities in this year in 2021 itself. Yes, so we aim to expand our services from digital care, home care, clinic care, long-term care, so that we become the preferred primary healthcare provider in this region. And so far by number we are the largest. And the aim is not to be just the largest. The aim is to be the healthcare affordable, accessible provider in this region.
Can we also expect drive-through?
So far our aim is to do walk-in for 12 hours. Then we'll expand it to 24 hours. Then hopefully we'll try to get this with walk-in and drive-through both. We'll try to cover both.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vikas.
Thank you very much.
Would you like to say something to our viewers?
Yeah, so I'll say thank you very much. We are there to serve you. Help us, join us in a way so that we can contribute in the society to make sure this pandemic is going as soon as possible. We all should take care of our health, maintain social distance, take care of your health, And we as a Right Health is always there to help you with the services we cater throughout the day, throughout the night. So call us, call center, come here. Anything you need in terms of healthcare service, Right Health is there. Thank you very much. Thank you. Dr.
So-
Abdullah, you want to say something? Last word?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So it's the Right Health PCR Testing Center at Al Quoz. They work 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You have all the facilities over here. You come in with your Emirates ID, you have your registration counter, you will be getting token, and then you make your payment, and then you go for your PCR test, and expected results are within 24 hours. We wish Right Health all the very best, and they'll serve you, they'll serve us all, and wish them all the best. Thank you.